2021 Lamborghini Urus. This is Lamborghini's first super sport utility vehicle and the fastest SUV in the world. This Schwick Wheels Lambo Truck's exterior is one of one, color named Grigio Hatti. This is an all-wheel drive midsize SUV. This super SUV is powered by a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Rides with a torque of 626 pounds per foot with a horsepower of 641. 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds, only a tenth slower than our Huracan. This Lamborghini Urus is perfect for showing everything from lifestyle videos, prom, wedding, product placements, and will not disappoint for your commercial. Our Grigio Hatti exterior color is unique, but works well with any color theme. The Urus is muscular looking with the signature Y-shaped and hexagonal Lamborghini details. Style, elegance, strength, versatility. This Lamborghini Urus is the absolute all-around super sports utility vehicle of choice.